Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and welcome to Tea Time Tuesday. And if you're new here, I will put the playlist down below so you guys can catch up to where we're at. And what we're going to need today is, I'm going to do some distress texture paste, stencils, it's a little tag that I coffee dyed. I coffee dyed this one. And some distress oxide. And this little tool here. I'm not sure the name of it. I'm not quite sure. If you guys know the name of this, I'd love to hear in the comments down below. And yeah. Oh, and also your little tea time little journal. So yeah. Okay. So the first things that we're going to do is I'm going to start right here. Do my little clip here. Just to get to the pages that I need. And so now you just need your little tag, and what we're going to do is do some stenciling on it here. So I got all these fun little stencils. So let's see, what's a good spring stencil? We can do fun little flowers on it. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day today and getting out your little tea time journals that we've been working on. And also a little piece of parchment paper. This is nice to have so you don't make a mess everywhere. So I'm just making a little tag just to go into the little pocket right here. Okay. So yeah, I'm just using the black soot oxide. And there we go. That's fun. It's a fun little thingy get going. And I also have a jelly roll, little pen. So you just do some doodling on it. Just adds a little bit of interest. There. So there we go. And then we could do something to the other side here. Let's see, will this fit? We'll just do part of it. Little bumblebee. Okay. There we go. So we got our just a cute little tag. And this should fit perfect in our little pocket right here. So there we go. So I got that done, and then I want to work on this side here. And this parchment paper will come in handy because this is, you know, tea paper, so it is thinner. So we just divide it like that. I might need to cut it straighter here. A little crooked. There we go. Then it just won't get onto the other side of the paper. All right. So now I want to take some fun stencils like this. Just do some background interest here. Okay. And then we also got to take a sip. Okay. Gotta have our tea on Tea Time Tuesdays. That's always good. Okay, so I got that one, and then I'm gonna just kind of cross back here, just for some more interest in the background. Okay. Now, on top of here, we can even add in a little bit more. You know, just to do some fun shadowing in the background. Okay, and then take your other little stencil here, grab your tool, and this is just the Ranger Distress Texture page. Wow, that did not want to open. And I just take a little bit here. And just hold your stencil firmly so it doesn't slide around. I'm just putting it on like that. Okay. And then you just don't scrape all of it off, but just kind of even it out. Just like that. And smooth it. Go. All right, and then just lift it up. That's a little thick, but I think it'll dry nicely. And there you go. I think that's going to turn out great. And let me go ahead and dry it, and then we'll do something fun on top of that. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I went and got my watercolors. I dried this. And I think it'll be fun to just add a little interest here. Let's do some fun watercoloring. See what we can come up with. There we go. I'm just doing different colors just to see. Just make it fun here. So yeah, so you can play around with your texture paste. And I also have a video on comparing the Ranger texture paste plus the crackle paste and spackling. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll make sure to put it up in the right-hand corner right here. So you guys can come check that out, how I compare them all. And yeah, it's a pretty fun video. Okay, let's see. Let's go ahead and do... And if you guys like this video, please hit the like button down below. It helps me out a lot. It gets this out further so everybody else can see it. And I'd be much appreciated. So I'm going to try some orange. Let's go ahead and do that. Maybe different color orange. Just to make them all bright and cheery. It is spring. So there. You can kind of blend it. Just get some more water and do some blending together. And that's why I got the parchment underneath it too, so it won't go to the next page. So there we go. And I'll just let those dry. And I'll go make sure to get some good pictures for you guys to see at the end. And there we go. So thank you guys for joining me. And I hope it inspired you to get out your little tea time journals and craft along with me. And if you could, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share. And let's grow together. And keep on crafting.